Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. About dy, we don't have y in here, so the integration of this one, we have s squared y, and we put the bounds from 0 with the square root of 5s dx. Now I will put this one gone here, number 0 gone here. So we have s squared multiplied with the square root of 5s and s squared multiplied with number 0. Next, this one, we have the square root of number 5, and we have s squared plus 1 over 2. So we have 2 plus 1 over 2, and we have s to the power of 5 over 2. The integration of this one, we have s to the power of 5 over 2 plus 1 over 5 over 2 plus 1. And we put the bounds from 0 and number 5. So I will put number 5 gone here, number 0 gone here. And this one we have 1250 over 7. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.